Hi, Adrian Reid here from Dowling & Nayland Real Estate. Today we're going to take a look at Unit 17 in Noosa, Quays. This is an extraordinary sub-penthouse apartment on Quamby Place in a peninsula, looking straight out over the river mouth here in Noosa Sound. Really special. Can't wait to show you. Come with me and take a look. This is a very special apartment. It's a genuine house alternative. It has everything on your doorstep. You're in a quiet peninsula looking to the north over one of the most spectacular views in Noosa. What you don't need here is a car, and what you do need here is a boat, a stand-up paddleboard, and time. Time to really soak in this extraordinary view in this privileged position. We can't wait to show you. We'd love to see you at one of our open homes, or call myself, Adrian Reid, or Don Reid from Dowling & Nayland Real Estate to organise your private inspection. See you soon.